Hello and welcome to your 15-minute beginner low body workout. Today, all you'll need is a chair. So if you don't have one already, pause this video and go grab one. All right, now that you got your chair, you're going to sit down into it. If you have ankle weights and you'd like to make it a harder workout, feel free to put those on. And without further ado, let's jump into the workout. All right, we are starting off with ankle circles. So you can grab a hold of the underside of your chair if you need a little extra stability. Good. We're gonna start all in one direction, nice and slow, just warming up those ankles. We're gonna be using them a lot today, so we're making sure they're nice and warm. Good, switch directions. Good, half one way, half the other direction. Good, and if it's too much for you to have both knees up, you're just gonna do 5 one way, 5 the other way on one leg, and then you're gonna switch. Otherwise, both legs up at the same time. And rest. Well done. Your first exercise is going to be seated marches. So you can either have your hands on your hips, or you can have something to hold on to if you need a little added stability, but you're just gonna bring one knee up and then the other knee up. Good. Think about keeping that core braced as you bring one knee up as high as you can into your chest. It's also going to be working your hip flexors. So it's okay if you feel a little bit of warmth in your hip flexors. It's a good thing. It means you're doing the exercise right. Good, keep breathing. Good, you might also feel your core activate. That is perfectly normal. It's a good thing. Good, you're almost there. Keep breathing. Good, last 2, and rest. Well done. Your next exercise is knee extensions. So I want you to sit back into your chair. Again, you can reach underneath your chair and grab it for stability. You're gonna extend both legs and then slowly lower them to the floor. The second those heels tap the floor, I want you to kick them back up. And it's okay if your range of motion or your leg strength is not quite where you want it to be. That's why you're here. So if you can only get them a couple inches up and you can't get your knees fully straight, that's okay. Meet yourself where you're at today. And know with every rep you're getting stronger. Way over halfway done. You're amazing. I want you to exhale as you kick your knees up. Inhale as you lower those heels down. Good, almost there. You should feel some fire in those quads. And rest. Take a couple deep breaths. Very well done. All right. Now we are going into heel presses. So you can do them one at a time or do them both at the same time. One at a time looks like this. You're gonna press one heel, then the other. So you're pushing as much weight as possible through your heel. You're telling yourself, all right, this is the first motion I need to get up out of my seat. And then if you want, you can just do them both at the same time. Up to you. So you're sending all of your weight into your heels. Your glutes are activating. This is gonna be as easy or as hard as you make it. It looks like you're not doing anything, but I want you to push your weight through those heels. I want you to imagine you're making dents in the floor. One more here. Rest. Well done. All right, next up, if you have a band, I want you to pop it on. Otherwise, don't worry about it. You'll still feel the burn. All right, so you're gonna be pressing those heels into the floor just like we just did, and then pushing your knees out. Good, think about pushing with force. If you don't feel this seated, you're welcome to stand up and come into more of a squat. That's another great way to to add a little bit more resistance with your body weight. So up to you, seated or standing, pressing those knees out. Good, seated abductions. Your glutes should be isolated here. Good, keep breathing. You're almost there. Very well done. Take some nice deep breaths. All right, next up, we have a full stand-up. Now, if that is too much, just come as high as you can up off that chair. So maybe that's only a couple inches. If you can't quite get up without assistance, grab a table in front of you that you can press up on, or 2 chairs on either side of you that you can use to help you get some strength and momentum, as well as balance. Good, your core stays tight. I want you to imagine your knees staying over your ankles. They're pressing out against that band if you have one. Good. And you're working both ways, right? You're not just falling back into the chair. You're pressing up and then using those hamstrings to slow you down. Good. Rest. Well done. Alrighty, next up, we have full knee extensions with a hold with the band if you have it. All right, so scoot back into that chair. Extend, hold, hold, and lower. Good. Extend, hold, hold, and lower. Good. We're following that timing. 3 seconds of hold, 1 second to lower, 1 second to lift. Good. Exhale, hold, hold, inhale. Good. You are killing this workout. I'm so proud of you. Remember, it's only 15 minutes. You can do anything for 15 minutes, right? Again, belly button is tight, pulled up and in. Your core is activated. Good, last one. And rest. Well done. All right. I want you to come on up. You're just going to shift that chair around so that you have this for stability. You're gonna come down, press out with those knees, press out, stand up. Good. Lower, press out with your knees, again, and lift. Good. Now, if you need more of stability on either side, you can just grab 2 chairs and hold them like this. Good, so from the front, you lower, press out, and up. Good, lower. Press out, press up. Good. You're amazing. Almost there. Press out, and rest. Well done. Okay, next up, you can keep this band on. And if you don't have one, don't worry, you'll still feel it. We're gonna be doing hamstring pulls. So we're starting off with our right leg. You're gonna lower down and then kick your heel all the way up to your glute, as high as you can. And if that's only up to there, only a couple inches up, that's okay. Just focus on using the strength in your hamstrings in the back of your legs. Good, you're light on these hands, right? You're not leaned over. I want you to isolate that hamstring muscle. Good, keep breathing. Exhale, pull that heel up. Inhale, lower. You're amazing, keep going. We're doing all this right leg first, and then our left leg. Good, you're almost there. Your hamstring should be burning. If it is, celebrate it. Last one here, and rest. We're transitioning straight onto that other side, and I really want you to focus on keeping your knee in the same spot, right? So it's not coming forward or kicking your whole leg back. Your knee stays in the exact same spot, and you're just kicking that heel all the way up to your glute. All right, we are on the other side. Here's how it looks from the front. Your knee stays in the same exact spot. Good, standing up nice and tall. core stays tight. Keep breathing. I want you to imagine there's a golden string attached to the very top of your head, and it's pulling you up to the ceiling. All right, so you're in perfect alignment. You're amazing. Keep it up. Good, focus on the quality of each rep, not the quantity. 5 seconds left. Good, one more. Rest, well done. All right, we are going into a calf raise sequence. So your toes should be facing the wall in front of you. You can hold onto the back of that chair. You're gonna come up, hold, hold, and lower. Good, come up, hold, hold, and lower. You're thinking about pulling that belly button back to your spine and also pulling it up. Good, so we're activating that pelvic floor. Good. Good, keep breathing here. Again, your hands are light on the back of that chair. Good, if you're worried about losing your balance, you can always position yourself with a chair or a couch behind you. Good, almost there. Beautiful, one more rep. Hold, hold, and lower. Very nice. So I did say that this was a calf raise sequence. So guess what? We have calf raises, but they're different. You're gonna take a ballet stance. Your heels are together, your toes are apart. Same thing. All right, here we go. Come up, hold, hold, and lower. Good. So it can be easy to not have perfect posture because we're only focusing on our calves. But I really want you to focus on that golden string, pulling you up to the ceiling. Core is tight, pulled up and in. And your shoulder blades are pulled back in together. Good. So if you start to feel this in your hamstrings or especially in your glutes, that's perfectly normal. Good. Again, hands are light on that chair. It's just there for stability, not there as a crutch. Good, almost there. And rest. Okay, final set for these calf raises. You're going to peel your toes together and your ankles are pushed apart. All right, same thing. Hold, hold, and lower. Good. Press up, hold, hold, and lower. Good. I'm so proud of you for showing up today. I don't know what it took to get you here and doing this workout. Maybe it was super easy, maybe it was really hard, but you're here and you're doing it and I'm so proud of you. Good, over halfway. You're almost there. We're gonna end with 10 pulses. Good, we're almost there. Okay, here we go, tiny little pulses. 10, 9, 8, 7, good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. My calves are on fire. I hope yours are as well. All right, we have leg lifts out to the side. Are you ready? So you're gonna push against that band if you have it. Otherwise, you're still gonna do the same exact movement. It might be a little bit easier. Good. This is gonna challenge your balance, so feel free to grab onto the back of that chair. But again, perfect posture, shoulder blades together in the back, and you're standing up perfectly tall and perfectly straight. Good, so from the side, you're just pressing that leg out and then lowering it back down. All right? If you can, I don't want you to use memento because then you're not actually using those leg muscles. So nice and slow out, hold, hold, and lower. Good. Keep breathing. You're almost there. Very well done. We're headed on to the other side. So don't you worry. I'm just gonna flip my chair. All right, here we go. Left leg. Good, it can be really tempting to have your upper body go sideways to counteract that left leg, but I want you to keep perfectly aligned. Good. Your head stacked on top of your neck, neck on top of your shoulders, shoulders on top of your hips, and hips stacking down over your ankles. Good, core stays tight. You are amazing, you're almost there. Don't give up. If you need a quick break, take it, but then jump right back in when you're ready. Remember, 15 minutes. You've got this. Last exercise. You can do it. One more. And rest. Very well done. Can you believe that was only 15 minutes? It's amazing what you can get done in 15 minutes. So you're gonna hold onto that chair. You're gonna bring your knee all the way up as high as you can. And if you need, you can also turn this chair around and just gently press that ankle into the chair if it's too much to hold it up. You're gonna push it forward. Good. Now you're gonna extend your leg on that chair, stretch out your hamstrings, reaching for those toes. I am so proud of you. Thank you for working out with me. Good. Other leg. And the good news is, this is one of 4 workouts. So it's going to be 60 minutes when you add them all up together, but they're each only 15 minutes long. Because you can never say no, I don't have time for a 15-minute workout. So it's a little bit sneaky on my behalf. But I'm just trying to get us as fit and as strong as we can. Good. Reach on up for that ceiling, fully extend. Take a nice deep breath. And as you exhale, give yourselves a hand. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so proud of you, and I'll see you for day 2. Love you guys. Bye.